Hello, I'm Teacher Amanda. Welcome to Alpha English. In this lesson, we will learn when and how to use the simple present tense. Let's take a look at the structure of the simple present tense. Affirmative sentences. Firstly, if the subject is he, she, or it, then we add s or es to the base form verb. If the subject is I, you, we, they, or any plural form, only the base form of the verb is used. For example, he eats, they eat. If the sentence is negative, then we say he, she, or it does not. For I, you, we, they, or other plural subjects, we use do not. For example, he does not or they do not. For interrogative sentences, does is used before he, she, or it, and do is used before I, you, we, they, or other plural subjects. For example, does he or do they? The structure of an affirmative sentence in the simple present is as follows. Subject plus the base form, don't forget to add s or es to the verb if needed, plus the rest of the sentence. For example, he reads every day. For a negative sentence, the structure is as follows. Subject plus do not or does not, plus the base form, plus the rest of the sentence. For example, he doesn't read every day. For an interrogative sentence, the structure is as follows. Do or does plus the subject plus the base form plus the rest of the sentence. For example, does he read every day? Now you know how to structure a sentence in the simple present. Let's find out when to use it. Actions that happen regularly or repeatedly. He brushes his teeth twice a day. We go out for dinner every weekend. We go to school by bus. Future actions that are scheduled or part of a timetable. Does the shop open soon?
It opens at 8 a.m. The train leaves at 10:30. Does the party start at 5 o'clock?
No, it starts at 6 o'clock. General truths or facts. Doctors work in hospitals. Do polar bears live in deserts? No, polar bears don't live in deserts. An English teacher teaches English. Likes, dislikes, and feelings. Does she like vegetables? No, she does not like vegetables. He loves his wife.
I love you.
Does he think he's handsome?
Yo, I'm looking so good.
Yes, he thinks he's very handsome. Now you know how to use the simple present. Well done. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Alpha English for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.